So I've been driving a G-Wagon for about a month now, and honestly, I think from a car enthusiast standpoint, I can see why like car enthusiasts in general probably don't like this car. And it leans a lot more towards people who kind of just want a bit of the flex and a bit of the look, which I get. But like from a performance standpoint, honestly, there's not much to like about this car. It turns terribly. The body roll is terrible, even by SUV standards. It pushes out almost 600 horsepower. And for that amount of power, the lack of control is just like a bit too wild out there. So coming from a Porsche to the complete opposite, again, I understand it's an SUV, but even by SUV standards, this car is pretty bad when it comes to control and drivability and even comfort at that point. Not that great, but I don't regret it. This car is awesome for what it is. It all comes down to kind of what you're looking for.